Spam hardeners for Mayumi. Stanking the boss. Wait, open ko lang yung ammo box ko. Shit. Ayan, Mayumi. I've opened up the box. You can reload there so you don't have to go back. Don't have to go back in the ammo box for reload. Ouch! Sira na yung drone ko na pang tayo. Alright guys, rage bar almost full. Ready, get ready. Ready, get ready. Alright, go. Go behind electric nets. Lah,
Wala.
wait.
Wala.
Wala nang auto spawn.
Wala na utos mo. Wala naglapag.
Wala nang auto spawn. Ilang update to. GG. Hindi kasama sa update yung bayan.
Hindi, yun o.
Yung ano lang, yung box. Pero yung auto spawn wala na. GG. Tik na yan. Daming bagsak na ano. Nalipat yung agro nito. Saan nalipat yung agro? Yorme.
Uy, sinigmat yung amino.
Ay, shit. Oh, guys, remove that amino. OMG, remove that amino.
Sa mga
sinasabi. Teka, iyan ako sa ano yun. Parang gusto mo nga to Parang hindi nagtatrap boss eh. Yan na, ano na to. Teleport na to boss. Yan sa ulo nakatutok ang damage body. Teleport ulit. Rage bar almost full guys. Siguro yung mga magde-deploy na lang din ng ladders, yung mga ladder, yung team ladder talaga. Original team ladder. Sira. Guys, go hide. Crouch and hide so you can still continue. You can angle up on the... But don't go too far.
Patay mo.
Pagkalawagpas ka kasi doon sa line ng barit ng electric net, mamamatay ka.
Ang galit mo.
Alright, birdies are up on the air. Birdies are up on the air. Go eliminate birdies, It's gonna cost us our Dura.
Hindi namatay.
Makakahihil lang yan. Yung mga usual na nakamatay, pagka nahihit na isang beses, patay ka agad yun. Auto down. May isang armor na nagbababa ng feebleness time yung ano, Crimson. Evolution gear.
Wala sa
Guys, keep hitting the head. Keep hitting the head.
guys. No.
Keep hitting the head, guys. Keep hitting the head. Guys, go far. You don't wanna get hit. Take your distance. Distancia, amigo.
Ayun.
Distancia, amigo from the boss. Ikot tong ano.
Distancia, amigo.
Distancia, amigo. Right, avoid the red circles. Go in front of the campmates so we can use our access. Hindi ako pwede makapitan na itong ano. You're good, you're good, you're good. Ano target? Errata. Ay, kahit na meron na seek help. Spam seek help. Spam seek help. Everyone, you can rebuff now. You can rebuff. First, hide. Electric net. It's too effing far. It's too effing far. God, sorry. Hirapan talaga akong mag-multitasking. Guys, avoid red circles. For those ladder, go take boxes now. If there is one spawn, just take. Eliminate birdies, eliminate. Shit. Right. It's fine, go. Tapos na isa. Puro ano? Clear, clear. Right, avoid red circles.
Ito aking patay.
Wait. Ayun, kapitan din ako. Jump. Or place some ammo boxes so you don't get caught by the shockwave. Team ladder, please pick up. Mga ano na yan, sa ibang camp na yan. Ano? Gano'n na lang kayo. Check nyo na lang yung surroundings nyo kasi mag-heal yung mga yan. Ayaw pasan HP nila. Hindi sila papayag may bawas yung HP ng mga yan. Alright, jump. Everyone jump. Expected na rin ng ano. Grabing meta yan. Uy. Alright, team ladder, start placing now. Start placing. Make it far as much as possible. Shockwave, jump. Or go to high place. Avoid red circles. Alright, it's full now, it's full. After that skill, the boss will use its skill na OMG. We're trap. Use Ox Coffins, bro. Go down, get down.
Ay,
OMG.
yung pagkasanak mo.
What? Yes, Court, you give up. OMG, what happened?
Don't pick that, bro.
Ayaw mo. Wait lang, Mayumi, wait lang. I'm killing. Huwag kang gagalaw. Ang likot, hindi ko tamaan yung... Jump.
Others.
Laki ng HP cap nito. Aray. Laki ng HP cap nito. Ang lambot ko pero laki ng HP cap. Avoid red circles. Avoid. Check your surroundings for amino.
Wala na, bag na.
Bug. Alright, the boss is bug. Right. Go to the front. Everyone, go to the front.
Amen. Ayan.
Good.
Kaso di na rin tayo.
Di kaya.
5 minutes.
Skill ko eh.
Bilis lang oh. Gumuguhit oh.
Kasi yung boss na to, magbabag din lang. Ayaw pa nung una pa.
Hindi may spot na siya. New spot. Teka, pipicturean ko to.
Malapit lang
Para di
sa
pa
amin.
natin yung babag. Oo, yun nga. Yun yung mga nagdan eh. Alright guys, we'll try to bug this boss. Once full na tayo. Pagka all out na yung team. Ang dami rin kasing wala eh. Kaya talagang bitin yung DPS natin. Kaya pinag-farm na lang muna namin kayo ng combat. It's better pa kaysa kaysa i-try natin mag-push. Kapag may nagsusupport na date tayo. T-hormone guys, T-hormone. Finish your T-hormone. For virus experts only. Is to increase the virus damage. Bilis lang. At least makakuha tayo ng 2 reward bago mag-end yung Guys, focus fire on the head. Focus fire on the head. If you're hitting below the head damage, adjust. Well lang pala nag-support. Off mic muna ako ha. Iingay na naman yung mga lasinggero dito sa amin.
Si Ocean ba?
Sali ako.
Oo, si Ocean. Si Ocean.
Wala nga akong bisyo.
Yung bisyo.
Bisyo. Talaga ba? Ay, we. Ay, we.
Bahay,
Hey
school,
guys, we're almost
simbahan.
there. Almost there for one rate, for one HP bar.
Simbahan.
Go, go, go.
Talaga.
Alright, we have cleared one HP bar. Just do your best to gain combat XP as much as possible. 2 minutes left. Go, go, go.
Summon your drones from Sedative.
And sasamo ko pa ng mag-stomp ko pa ng sedative, hindi na gumagalaw. Ay na yan, kahit hindi na mag-summon. No need to summon your drones. Unless you're pushing for rank. And summon your drone. But it's not really that recommended. Tandaan ko yung pwesto nito kung saan siya nakaharap.
Laging nagbabagyan na nakaharap dito, no?
Ayun nga eh. Ang last na record ko kasi, doon pa siya sa left side, the part ng map. Doon siya sa left part. Doon siya nababag palagi. Ngayon, nandito siya sa right part ng map kung saan mayroong So, siguro try na lang natin ilure dito palagi as much as possible pagka nag-push tayo. So, oring malaman kung ano ba na, kung makakapagpa-trigger lang nito yung yung skill na yan, yung Chanak skill. Kasi 2 health pa yan, ay pa yan eh. 1 HP bar pa kailangan ubusin para yung trigger yan. Unang niya, yung skill niya yung tawag birdie. Na 18 seconds na lang, 15 seconds.
Reload, reload.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, top 5 pa ako nun ah. Wala.
Nice guys, nice.
Nice